I'm Sunnyvale Mayor Larry Klein, and I just want to first thank Assemblymember Lowe and Councilmember Foley for bringing this together today. It's really great. You know, I, like so many of you, were horrified by all the events that have happened in the last few months against our Asian Pacific Islander community. In Sunnyvale, 2 years ago this month, we had a hate crime, and we are still recovering from that. It caused fear. We met, much like we are here today, to talk about ways in moving forward. I've met with parents, I've met with kids, I've met with many of our residents who were directly affected and felt fear of being out in their community. And that's what we're seeing today. And ultimately, what we really learned is that hate, extremism, and violence have no place in our community today. We in Santa Clara County, in California, we are better than that. We know that wherever you come from, whatever your beliefs, no matter how old or young you are, no matter who you love, you are welcome in our community. And that is what Santa Clara County is. And ultimately, I call on all of you, please, whatever you can do, spread kindness to everyone that you meet. Please, whatever you can do, stand up whenever you see any injustice in our community. Please, whatever you can do, just spread love and joy throughout our community. Our world can be a better world, and it's up to all of us to take part, to be an ally to our Asian Pacific Islander community, but everyone in our community, no matter who they are or where they come from. Thank you very much.